In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync tables in Airtable, a handy feature that can streamline your workflow and ensure your data is always up to date across different bases. Airtable is a flexible, cloud-based platform that's a mix of a spreadsheet and a database, and it's perfect for managing anything from project tracking to customer databases. Syncing tables allows you to bring in data from one base or view into another, making it much easier to manage your data without having to duplicate efforts. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to have your Airtable base open where you want the synced table to appear. This will be the destination base. Once you have your base open, look towards the top of your screen where you will find the Add or Import button. Clicking on this will bring up a menu with several options for adding data. Here you want to select the Sync Data option. Syncing data in this way allows you to seamlessly pull in live data from another source, keeping both sets of tables updated in real time. Once you've selected Sync Data, you will be prompted to choose either an Airtable base or an Airtable table /view. This is an important step because you need to identify the source from which your data will be synced. You can either sync from an entire base or narrow it down to a specific table or view within a base, depending on how much data you want to integrate into your destination base. Take a moment to determine the level and scope of data you need. This will help ensure the setup aligns with your workflow needs. After you've chosen between an Airtable base or a specific table view, it's time to pick your source. This involves selecting the exact table or view you want to sync. Keep in mind that views can be particularly useful if you only need a subset of data based on specific filters or sorting criteria. This can help keep your synced table focused and relevant, without unnecessary data clutter. Finally, with your source table or view selected, all that's left to do is click on Create Synced Table. This will initiate the syncing process, and within moments, your new synced table will appear within the destination base. From here on, any updates made to the original table or view will automatically reflect in your synced table, providing you with a real-time view of your data landscape. By following these steps, syncing data in Airtable becomes an efficient way to ensure data consistency across different teams or projects. I hope this breakdown helps make the syncing process clear and accessible for your data management needs. Thank you for tuning in, and happy syncing.